Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off speak keyboard input allowed with hold words function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now, when we go to our message,
Cat.
the assistant is reading our words aloud to us. How to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and in spoken assistance we can turn it off, or we can change to read characters only, or maybe characters and words, but we want to turn it off. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.